Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I think that the ninja beside me is Dr. Mom. I can't tell.
It is.
We're at Chestnut Grove Natural Area in the shadow of the Turkey Hill Turbines. This is a hike I've done a couple times before, but well, it's close to the holidays. I have my lovely wife with me. We're gonna do a 3-mile loop here. We're gonna go out to Star Rock. We're gonna go down to Man Run, and I have a very special gift to share with her on this hike. So let's go.
It's a cold one.
Oh yeah.
It's a cold one.
She's a ninja because it is absolutely freezing. It is 28 degrees or something out here. It's December 14th.
You said the porta potty was frozen.
The porta potty was a sheet of ice. Never fear, I melted through it though. Let's go. Dr. Mom has not had my trademark hot cocoa out here in the wild. We've got 10 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of heavy cream, and I mixed in a teaspoon of vanilla. We'll get that going on low heat, don't want to scorch it. Keep stirring. Alright, so we are warming up quick. Forgot my spoon. Doc donated her straw from a water bottle, which is awesome. We'll get our chocolate in here. 4 ounces of baking chocolate from Wilbur. Starting to hear bubbles. Don't want to hear bubbles. It's tough to get a camp stove to be on low. I can usually boil water in this kind of weather in like a minute. Just to round out the flavors here in the cocoa and the vanilla and everything like that, Doc's going to throw in a little instant espresso. Give us a little hiking kick too. Oh my god, what a pour. Didn't know how that would work with my table balanced on a rock here, but looking pretty good.
Love how they're in our Grand
Canyon mugs from when we went rim to river and back. A little chocolate there to look out of the bowl later, and got these cinnamon vanilla flavored marshmallows. For the final touch. All right, Doc, cheers. Thanks for coming out.
Cheers.
Merry Christmas.
I'm so excited for this.
Happy holidays to everybody out there. Go
What a
take a
gift.
hike with your loved ones here in this cold weather.
It's not so
Enjoy
bad.
some cocoa above an icy river.
Cheers and Merry Christmas. Oh, that is so good.
Still a little warm, still a little warm. But
Oh, that's good.
chocolatey.
Oh my gosh.
Beats powder any day of the week.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good. Oh, man.
Mm.
Mm.
Well, it stinks to leave Star Rock, but I'm out of cocoa.
Guess there's more to go see and do.
Let's do it. Alright, so after leaving Star Rock, we're following a blue spur here down towards the river, towards the Enola low-grade trail. We'll be on that rail trail for just a little bit until we get to Man Run. A couple weeks ago, I showed off Man Run. It was the first in my viewer quest series of videos. But we'll attack it from the Enola low grade this time and walk up Man Run. And then in that video, I actually showed the path that comes back to Chestnut Grove. So that's what we're going to take here. But we'll get a little different view of it, I think, coming this way. She's going to go over, so I'll go under. Now we'll walk along this flat rail trail here, the Enola low grade, until we get to Man Run. Then we'll try and walk up the waterfall. We'll try and walk up the frigid waterfall.
Uh-oh. Hope it's frozen like the porta potty.
You say you're good climbing?
That's hilarious.
Well, we're almost at Man Run, and somebody has decorated this. Oh man, a bald eagle picture. Free pictures from Manor Side to Trestle. So free pictures out here on the tree.
Aww.
That's decorated. That is awesome. A lot of clothespins still here. A lot of people taking their eagle pictures.
It's very cool.
I met a dude, the guy that told me about the falcons,
Yeah.
up on Safe Harbor Trestle, and he takes these bird pictures. I wonder if he did this. That's awesome.
That's really neat.
Merry Christmas. Come get an eagle picture while they last. So we're right beside Man Run, if you're looking for it. Man Run is right over here. So here's a side view of that chute that we went out on last time I was down in Man Run. We kind of walked out there. A lot of water flowing down there. I don't know if we'll be able to walk out, but it's the one with the trap door there that goes to a tunnel under the railroad. You can see where that culvert comes out right about here. And then we walked out that way, and that trap door was back in here somewhere. And this is where we popped out of Man Run. So Man Run Falls here from the Enola low grade. So I think we're going to end up walking up that. Water bubbles are just seeping right under. Looks like a Rorschach test or something. Oh my god, it's so cool. Wider than you thought?
Yeah, that's wider than I thought.
Okay. Hey, better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Plenty of places across here.
I had hiking poles.
Yeah.
I would use them moving this way.
Pole vault across.
I don't trust my balance. I'm a little clumsy. So
All right. Yep. Wider than it looks up there. She doesn't want to go Splitsville and get soaked. So just about 50 feet upstream from where she's going to attempt to cross, we've got the blue trail cutting across and safely jump the dry stones that were all at a comfortable foot length apart and cross the trail. So climbing back into Chestnut Grove now. Maybe you could have made that crossing if you had your ninja mask on.
I didn't have the right equipment on at
Just
that time.
flip right over it or something and...
Love it. Maybe next time.
All right.
So we met a woman and her dog as we started this hike, and she told us how she and other local property owners were instrumental in preserving this land here. Thank you to her and the others who are involved. This was a beautiful area, beautiful hike, and thanks to everyone else who works to conserve land like this in Lancaster County.
All right, so thanks for coming along with us on our pre-Christmas date day, I guess. Had some good hot cocoa up there on the Star Overlook, and we survived Man Run.
Yep. Some good little climbing.
What was your favorite part today?
The views from Star Point, and the hot cocoa, and time with you out here.
Oh,
it's
that's
beautiful.
you. All right.
I have a lot of favorites.
This is coming out the Saturday before Christmas, so happy holidays. Have a great time. Spend it with your family. I might take a week off from videos and just chill with the family. Be with your loved ones and have a great time, and maybe I'll just see you next year. Thanks for coming along.